Hello all. Today we are going to see some more methods on how to retrieve unique records from a table without using distinct. So in the previous video I have used union operator and we have removed duplicate records and retrieved distinct records. Today I'm going to show some more methods to retrieve the unique records using uh, without using distinct operator. So for that let's create a table called test. So we have it already, so I'll delete it and I'll run the same query multiple times so that duplicates will be inserted. So and next I'll run this second query multiple times. So now let's see how many records are there in this table. So if you see, we have 8 records and 5 of them for the first row and 3 of them for the second row. So now let's use intersect operator to see to retrieve the distinct or the unique records. So we all know intersect operator finds the data that is common between the both data sets. So select star from test. So as we see this query returns this 8 rows, and let's write intersect select star from test. So what we'll do, these two queries, intersect will retrieve the common data between these two queries. So the common data is only these two, the unique records between these two rows. So ID1 Rohit and ID2 Rahul. So this is one more way to retrieve unique records from the table. And next thing, let's use row number. So for that, let's create a CTE with CTE as select star from test. And here I'll create a row number, row underscore number over partition by. Partition by, you need to mention all the columns because we need distinct values. And inside the row number function, the over part of the function, order by is all mandatory one. Order by ID comma name. As let's keep the column name as RN. And here now if we run this CTE, this is the output we get. So this one particular ID has 5 entries, so it has the row number as 1 2 3 4 5, and one second particular ID as Rahul, and it has row number 1 2 3 because it has 3 records. So now what I'll do, I'll write where Rn is equal to 1, and instead of writing star, I'll just keep ID comma name because these are the columns we require. And if I keep Rn is equal to 1, it will retrieve always the unique records. So first, if I run this, yeah, this is the one. Again, you'll see the unique records. So using row number, we can retrieve unique records. You should not use dense rank function here because let's see what happens if you use dense rank function. So dense rank function will always give you the same rank if the values are same. So if you have dense rank, so if we have the dense rank, I'll just see what is the data inside the CTE. So if you see dense rank, it has the value as 1 for all the rows because dense rank always, if there are 2 rows with same data, the dense rank returns the same value, assigns the same value for both the rows. So here dense rank is not an option. So let's see if rank is a valid option. So instead of dense rank, I'll keep rank and I'll just run this query. So rank is also not a valid option because rank also returns the same value if there are common data between multiple rows. So row number is always the correct option. So if you run this query, you'll get only the duplicates. And next one is group by. So group by, we all know it groups the duplicate data, distinct records in the data and gives you the output. So here select ID comma name. Let's see the count of rows. Count of 1 gives you the count of rows as CNT from test. group by ID comma name. So if you run this, you'll see the two rows with the output with the number of rows in the for each ID and name. So since we want only ID and name, um, we update the query. We'll just remove this count of one as this one and just write this ID comma name from test group by ID comma name. So if we run this query, we'll just return the duplicate records. So these three ways you can use and still retrieve duplicate records without using distinct operator. First one is intersect, second one is using the row number function, and third one is using the group by. And fourth and fifth are obviously using the union operator and distinct operator. Thank you.